Thank you, Ayush. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. What a pleasure to see all of you today. Welcome to Skill India Business Awards. A huge round of applause for each one of you present here today. परिंदों को मिलोगी आजादी एक दिन, आसमां में फैले उनके पर बोलते हैं. खामोश रहते हैं वो लोग अक्सर, जमाने में जिनके हुनर बोलते हैं. आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. आई हार्टली वेलकम ऑल माय डेलीगेट्स, all the speakers, all the awardees, and all the VIP and special guests present here in this room today. Friends, Skill India Business Award is the rejoice, is the moment of celebration where we take initiatives to upskill and reskill and take some competitive, take some objectional ideas from people from different walk of society, and we try to bring in collaboration. We try to bring in people on board who can really contribute to the cause. 2022, I got the golden chance of meeting Honorable Prime Minister of India, where we spoke about launching India's first digital university. Though I could not speak for more than 10 seconds, but I did speak with Shri Hardeep Puri ji, who's the Honorable Petroleum Minister, and I did share my vision with him. And I was so fortunate to talk to him for around 10-15 minutes, where I could tell him that India as a country has the soft power which can be channelized strategically now on the global platforms. And he agreed to this mission of 1 million public speakers, which has been started by me, in which I'm just following my journey. And some of you are part of it. Public speaking is the royal road to self-confidence. If today you can speak publicly well, I promise you, you're not only going to impact, influence, and inspire people, but also you can do any form of business and leverage your business in many ways. Skill India is just not about public speaking, ladies and gentlemen. It's more about how we can promote ideas, thoughts, strategies, innovation through this platform. I wanted to invite Mr. Ved Prakash Maini ji, who is the CEO of National Skill Development Corporation, an enormous body under Ministry of Education, many of you know. And this Viksit Bharat initiative by Honorable Prime Minister of India till 2047. When I spoke to Ved Prakash Maini ji, he could not come here today because of his travel. But he did promise me that going forward, whatever initiatives we are going to take at MS Talks, he's going to support. So friends, today I stand here in front of you celebrating the success of all the entrepreneurs, all the near and dear ones, and bringing and making some dent in different walks of areas where we can contribute to the success of people. I firmly believe that if we all can come together and do our respective work sincerely, dedicatedly, and more importantly, we can contribute to the different pain areas of people. We can help so many people to live their lives and live their passion. I also want to take time to thank our title sponsor for the day, Mr. S.K. Tandon. If you can just please stand up, sir. He's the legal advisor on board with India IPO. Thank you very much for your great association with us. And today we have his keynote presentation. And I must tell you that he's one of the most knowledgeable person I've ever met into the financial business. Besides that, we also want to thank our gifting partners, Promotion Connects, BNut, and Ayurveda. Ayurveda say, I think Tanveer sir, if you can please stand up for a moment. We want to thank Tanveer ji on behalf of Ayurveda, though their board members cannot come here. So Tanveer ji is here. I also want to thank all our media partners for making this event more vivid, live, and reaching out to so many people. Friends, I have a mission for 1 million public speakers in India, and I need your support today. And that support is how you can contribute to my mission of having a public speaking university in India. I need your ideas. I need your support for any thoughts. If anything can come across to you, please feel free to talk to me, and I would love to talk to you, because we, being the citizens of our country, we have to take onus. If something is coming out as a requirement, I feel strongly that we should definitely take it forward. And in my last meeting with UDC chairman also, we spoke about digital university, and he was quite confident of doing something similar in India. So friends, on this note, I welcome heartily all of you once again. Thank you very much for taking out your precious time. Thank you to all the guests of honor who are here today. Thank you to all the delegates, VIP guests, awardees, speakers, media partners for making this event a huge success. Once again, I welcome all of you. Let's enjoy the whole day. And we have so many things planned. So I would request everybody to please be in the room all the time. And once we have breaks, you can go out and you can do your networking also. But at the same time, we want all of you to enjoy the event. Thank you very much, everybody.